Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Mondrian puzzle. This beautiful puzzle was designed by Jürgen Reiche and made by Siebenstein Spiele in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts, including this piece, into the tray. This puzzle was inspired by Piet Mondrian, famous classic artist, and based on his artworks. This is a very beautiful puzzle which is made of many different kinds of wood. As you can see, there are at least 6 or 7 different kinds of wood, and they make this puzzle look very beautiful. Once you solve it, you can try to cover it with something transparent and put it on your wall or maybe on your puzzle shelf. It's gonna look like a beautiful artwork. This is not just beautiful, but also quite a challenging puzzle to solve, since if you dump all the parts out, you will find that many of them have quite different sizes. If you compare these two parts, they very different. If you grab another piece, it's not going to be similar to this one. It's going to be longer, and for example, this part is going to be even wider. And that's make a lot of troubles when you try to solve the puzzle, since you're going to end up with like all parts inside except of 2 quite large parts. I've been solving this puzzle, and at once I had these 2 parts outside the frame and I didn't have space to put them inside. So it's going to be quite a challenge to figure out the correct solution. So if you like beautiful and difficult puzzles, that is something that you have to look at. If you like beautiful and difficult puzzles and you want to buy the Mondrian puzzle, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.